So does Florida have the power to force a city to remove a street mural? There's a hearing today to decide just that.
Delray Beach's Pride Crosswalk was painted after the deadly 2016 shooting at Pulse. That was a gay nightclub in Orlando where 49 people were killed. Florida's Department of Transportation wants the flags gone, saying that they violate state traffic guidelines. But the city of Delray Beach says that city-owned streets fall under its jurisdiction, not the state's. NBC News correspondent George Solis following this story for us. So, George, what exactly is Delray Beach arguing here, and what is the state claiming?
Yeah, hey, Vicki and Morgan. So in a short sense here, they're saying that this is their property and it's their right to decide what to do with it. Now, the subject of sidewalk art and murals has sort of become a flashpoint, right, given all of the debate since the Pulse nightclub crosswalk was painted over, and then you had proponents painting over it with chalk, which has caused a lot of talk. Governor DeSantis has weighed in on this just this morning, actually, at another briefing where he talked about the Delray Beach incident, saying, quote, "That's not the way this system of government operates. They just decide they don't like the law. They want to do what they want to do. That just isn't going to fly." Again, that's from Governor DeSantis a little bit earlier this morning at another event. So what's happening right now is simply an administrative hearing. The city of Delray Beach initially said they were going to comply, but on second thought, they said, well, no, this is, again, our property. We have the right to decide what to do. So they're before the Florida Department of Transportation, seeing if there's going to be any type of extension to this or some kind of workaround, which, of course, could be precedent-setting, given that most of these crosswalks have been already painted over. And again, you've seen a number of arrests throughout the country of people either trying to put them back or stand in the way of them being removed. And again, the Florida Department of Transportation saying this isn't just about some of the Pride crosswalks. They're saying any kind of quote unquote distracting street art needs to be removed. That includes anything that promotes Back the Blue or law enforcement, school, and the list goes on. So again, it's a very polarizing subject and a lot of debate circulating on this topic, guys. And important to note here, of course, that if there is a decision that comes today, it could obviously be a precedent-setting event for all of these crosswalks that have either been removed or in the process of potentially being removed, guys.
I want to actually stay on that question of precedents, if we can, just for a moment, George. What are then the options for those other cities moving forward?
Yeah, well, a lot of them, because they are city-owned, they could easily get their own counsel. They could go before a judge. They could obviously sue the Florida Department of Transportation. And keep in mind, guys, this particular decision in Delray Beach, this comes just before the deadline. They are supposed to decide what to do with this by tomorrow. So, again, we are waiting to see what the outcome here is going to be. But they could easily just get an extension, or the Florida Department of Transportation could, in short, say, no dice. This needs to be gone by tomorrow.
All right. George Solis for us there. George, thank you.
We thank you for watching. And remember, stay updated on breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or watch live on our YouTube channel.